Look at that little tail wagging with pure joy. There's nothing quite like the sight of a puppy's happy face, full of excitement and curiosity. Those gentle paw taps are their way of saying, "Hey, I'm ready to play." Each moment is a reminder of the simple joys in life. Whether they're chasing their favorite toy or rolling around in the grass, puppies have a way of making everything feel magical. Their playful antics bring smiles and laughter, reminding us to embrace our playful side. What's the cutest thing your dog does? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Clip Rush for more adorable moments.